Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making one of my summer favorites, blueberry cream soda float. This refreshing cold treat is so tasty and perfect to enjoy on a hot summer day. So let's get mixing. We'll add a couple scoops of vanilla ice cream into tall glasses. To get my no-churn recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by 1 ounce per glass of my homemade blueberry simple syrup. Just like my other simple syrup recipes, this is a must-have for your bar as well as for your recipes. It's amazing. And then top them off with white cream soda. That's it. Now, for the finishing touch, we'll add some fresh blueberries and drizzle on some blueberry simple syrup. And my friends, this is our blueberry cream soda float. Extremely quick and easy to make, this tasty and refreshing beverage is always a summer favorite. I hope you give it a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!